Hello my viewers around the globe, this is Sima Legacy. Welcome to my channel. In the last days, people have been asking me how they can use copy trading on Bybit, and today I'm going to show you how you can use copy trading step by step. So just stick with me until the very end so you'll learn how you can use copy trading. And if you don't have a Bybit account, just go in my description below and you find this link. You can earn even up to 3,000 commission from Bybit once you open with this link just in my description below. So with that said, let's dive into the video. First of all, the account of Bybit will be looking like this. So once you're here, you'll go on derivatives. You can get this tool of copy trading. You can get it from derivatives or tools. It is still here, and here it is still here. So let's go to it. Copy trading is one of the easiest tools that people can use to gain money, but still it has some losses, of course, because the traders, they are all human beings like you, so they can also get any mistake. They can make mistake, because as you can predict, the market is the same thing that they do, and the end of it all, you can win or lose. So you can't be 100%, but I will give you step by step how you can identify a good trader and you copy his trade or her trade and you go with it and make profits. So just stick with me until the very end. So the first thing that you have to identify, there is top master traders, top traders by ROI. So these are top traders. So but these ones, in most cases, they can duplicate you, because in the last 7 days, a person can predict might be something. Maybe it depends even how the market has been moving. So, but we have to see, have he or she have been consistent in market? So the first thing that you have to follow with that trader is consistency. Is he consistent? When you change to maybe above 7 days. So in most cases, you traders with the highest profit for followers. So these are the most valuable traders that you can go always with. So still under this platform, you can join as a trader if at all you wish. But let's go for all masters traders. So here, first of all, you're going to change the days, because we want to see the consistency of this trader that we're going to look in. So let's say in 90 days, how they have been performing. So this trader, actually, you can see that profit lab. So there is infront terrible. Let's say that this person has made 196% in 90 days. So you can see that this one is good. Another thing that you can see, this is the amount that he has made as in profits. You can see the followers, then the winning rate, how he has been winning in the last couple of 90 days. Stability index, you can see it. So let's say that this one is a good trader. For unfortunately, this one, his followers is 250 and his ranking is 121. So trading days, you can see that he has 95 days. So this one is so cool. So you can see that in 7 days, you can change maybe to 180 and you see how he has been performing in 180 days. You can see that in 180 days, he has made this percentage, of which it is big. When you see the masters P and L, the percentage is so nice. The followers profits that they have made, you can see that it is so nice. When you say here, winning rate per 7 days, you can see he's 85. So when you come here down, you can see the profits, how he has made profits in the last 7 days. Here he has made some losses, of course, but in the last 7 days he has made, because the market is now moving so well. So when you go here and you look into the statistics of copy traders, so you can see that this person has been using a lot of atom, bit, waves. You can see these are the coins that he has been moving with 2 leverage long and 5 mostly. So these are the coins in the past trades. You can see how the coins he has been trading. So this is the percentage that he has gained. So if you want to see more, you can also go to this second page. Let's go to followers. So by followers, you can see that these guys have made his followers a lot of money. Like you can see here, in 7 days he has made 17% in 18 days. In 9 days he made 23%, depending on how much this trader had entrusted with him. So you can see that this is a very valuable trader. So when you come here in trading history, you can see that this person, he has short this pair BTC USDT. The entry price is this one. As you can see the history that he has made, you can see even the time, the date. So you can see the total transactions in each of the coins that he has been trying to trade. So of course you can see all of those ones. So but unfortunately this one is full. He cannot allow any other person to go into copying his trade, because now his followers is 250. It does not go beyond that. But if at all you are good with that follower that you have made your research, so you can always go and copy. So you can always go and click copy. Just come here and click copy is where you're going to copy the trade from. So once you press copy, this is how it will look like. Suppose on your account you have like 3,000, and now you want to say that this person should trade every trade that he makes or she makes. She should make at least $10 every trade that he makes. So another thing here, you will transfer your amount from maybe derivatives or spot to that account of trading or copy trading. So that's how you will do it. So for copy stop loss, for me, I think you should leave everything for him, because when you make a stop copy loss, that means for yourself, it means that it will interrupt him and you not get the percentage that you expect from him. So you leave it for him, he will make for himself. So once you're done with everything, you can come here and hit I've read and agreed the payment. So if you have that amount, then you click here and you will be ready to go. So please first make research before you enter in any copy trade, because copy trade involves some risk. Of course, it is not 100%, but you can get a very good trader and you can get a lot of money, of course, and you can make even $100 depending on how much you have on your account. So always be conscious. So if you don't have a Bybit account, please go in my description below. You'll find that link and you copy it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. Bye for today. Good luck.